So here were the social media posts that I posted on Instagram for Game Jam and Blanche Blitz. So as you can see, I started on the 22nd of February and put up some posts and stories. I won't go through all the times and highlights. But I also, as you can see, there's different ones like contacting the student union, and all saved to highlights. So I posted over 15 times for the Game Jam. So then the Blanche Blitz. So the time and post and date and what the kind of content I used. So look what's around the corner. Blanche Blitz 2022, taking place on our Blanchardstown TU Dublin campus, and just using relevant hashtags and tagging the likes of TU Dublin Blanchardstown Sport, TU Dublin Tag Rugby, TU Dublin SU, TU Dublin Rugby Club. And I messaged all the above to repost on Instagram posts to raise awareness, and lots of hashtags were used throughout that. So all posts were saved to highlights, and TU Dublin Blanchardstown Sports reshared to their stories also. I reached out to them. Sent some more posts, and I messaged and emailed the following accounts: ITRA, Tag Rugby Ireland, TU Dublin SU, TU Dublin Blanchardstown Sport, and they replied. TU Dublin Rugby Club. So some of them replied. So just basically, hi there, I'm just wondering would it be possible to share this link to your stories. It's a link to the Tag Rugby event held on our Blanchardstown campus on the 29th of April. It's a fundraiser event for St. Francis Hospice. All help is greatly appreciated. Thank you very much. So it was the Facebook event that I created. So then more posts and link tagged for the Facebook event. I kept tagging that on. Loads more posts, and then some more content. So for an announcement for Springboks and the distillers. So then more posts, all saved to highlights, more posts, and then just the final sign-ups. So as you can see here, actually St. Francis reposted our post, and they also thanked us for doing such a great job in organising the event. So I have to say Aaron was brilliant. He hosted the whole event. He presented the awards at the end of the night as well.